Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Naima and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make samosa. Before we start this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification. So without further ado, let's get started. The ingredients you'll need are 1 onion, 3 carrots, 1 Maggi cube, some parsley, some garlic, some ground meat, some salt, some black pepper, some cayenne pepper, some paprika, and last but not least, some wheat flour. So guys, here are all the ingredients you'll need to make the samosa recipe. So first thing first, I'm going to slice my onion into dices, and also be careful not to cut your fingers when you use your knife. By the way guys, I'm making ground meat samosa. And I'm going to reserve that in a dish. And now I'm going to grate my garlic. After grating my garlic, I'm going to slice into dices my carrots. And I'm also going to put that into a dish. Now I'm going to chop my parsley. After chopping my parsley, I'm going to reserve that into a bowl. So now I'm going to make my meat stuffing. So in a pan I'm going to add some olive oil, and when the oil is hot I'm going to add my onions and mix. After mixing, I'm going to add some salt and some black pepper, and I'm going to mix again. 5 minutes later, I'm going to add my garlic and mix, and I'm going to let it cook for like 2-3 minutes. And I'm going to add my carrots and mix again. Next, I'm going to add my parsley and mix. And after, I'm going to add my ground meat and mix again. After mixing my ground meats, I'm going to add some seasoning. So first I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of paprika. I'm also going to add some cayenne pepper. And last but not least, some Maggi cube. After adding my seasoning, I'm going to stir. And I'm going to cover my pan and let it cook for 15 minutes. While my meat stuff is cooking, I'm going to make a liquid dough to stick my samosa. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour into a bowl, and I'm going to add some water and mix everything together. So here is the final result, and you can see the consistency. I don't want it to be too liquid or too heavy. So back with my meat stuff 15 minutes later, you can see that it is well cooked. So I'm going to turn off my stove and reserve that for later. To make my samosa, I'm going to need samosa pastry, and I bought this samosa pastry in an Indian store. This is how the samosa pastry looks. So now I'm going to fold my samosa pastry in a triangle, as you can see. At this point, I'm going to add my meat stuffing, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of meat stuffing. After adding my meat stuffing, I'm going to add my dough that I made earlier. So I'm going to add my dough on the samosa pastry to stick my samosa. As you can see, now I'm going to stick my samosa. And that is it, and I'm going to repeat the same process. So as you can see, I finished to add the meat stuffing into my samosa pastry. So now I'm going to fry my samosa. So in a pan, I'm going to add some oil, not too much. And when it's hot, I'm going to add some samosa. And let it cook for 2 minutes on each side. When it's cooked, I'm going to remove my samosa and put them in a dish. And in my dish, I added some paper towel so that when I put my samosa, it can absorb the oil. That is basically it, guys. I like to eat my samosa with some lettuce, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.